Esau is of the view that the disclosure by the state points to a weaker case against him, as he is being incriminated by association, and that he will prove to the court that he has nothing to do with the offenses he is accused of. Esau says he was being used by his co-accused. The former minister is now shifting the goalpost by accusing his co-accused for abusing his good name and taking advantage of his ministerial status to canvass deals with Samari, the Icelandic company that is accused of paying them bribes. Esau, through his lawyer Richard Metcalf, further presented as new facts that the investigation into the matter is now complete, hence there exists no threat of interference. He said the cases that he faces have been joined with disclosure and reveals a bigger bundle of files and indictments, memoranda, and substantive facts in addition to 342 witnesses the state wants to call point to a protracted trial which violates the applicant's right to fair and speedy trial. The former minister has been in detention for about 2.5 years after his last bail application failed. This, his lawyer says, is notwithstanding extradition that still needs to be carried out in respect of co-accused foreign nationals. Metcalf also told the court that his client's medical condition and his personal circumstances has since deteriorated while in prison. Esau has now taken the witness stand for examination in chief and cross-examination.
All applications, I have not seen a single application, whether in terms of the fisheries agreements. It happened that sometimes, my lord, people are dropping by accident or by hook or crook, I don't know what to say, an application for rights and quotas at the ministry's office because they think the minister is an executive. I was not as an executive minister. The applications were, I referred those applications to the office of our permanent secretary in terms of the law as I was inducted. My role was, first, the TAC was determined through scientific practices. The quotas were allocated, applications were made to the PS office, and these very applications were evaluated by the right holders and non-right holders, by the PS office, and they allocate and award quotas and come to me as a minister in the form of an internal memo whereby they recommend for allocations.
Daniel Nadunyan, BC News, High Court, Windhoek.